Mercer Street Friends has a real heart to it.
Mercer Street Friends organization, being a Quaker organization, is committed to bettering people's lives in general.
Mercer Friends is just the best organization in the world. They have so many services for so many ages, from infants through the elderly.
What I really like a lot about Mercer Street Friends is the broad spectrum of people that both work here and also come here for service.
It began in 1958, and at that time this meeting house was empty, unused, and there seemed to be no purpose as a meeting house. And so with that in mind, the Quakers in Trenton saw the need then for this to become a community center.
Mercer Street Friends has been in Mercer County now for 50 years. It has been serving the people of Mercer Street Friends for all those 50 years. And it's a really, truly community-based program. It's embedded in the community. Our locations are right where people need the services. And that it takes the community also to support Mercer Street Friends.
No matter how an individual or a family comes into the Mercer Street Friends system, there's so many resources that we can offer.
Mercer Street Friends is about helping people overcome barriers. It's about helping people to get over whatever current hurdle they're facing and to move forward and to have a bright future.
Is there more we can do? I think yes. Will we be able to do it? I would certainly hope so. So my anticipation would be that we can continue to meet and broaden the ways in which we help individuals.
Every home they go into where someone's sick and they can lend a hand, they feel like that's their mission in life, that they're out there to help people, to teach people, and to enable people to remain at home.
Illness really has a very strong effect on the person and on the family. And it might seem like something that you wouldn't even think about, going from the hospital, okay, I'm going home. Usually, along with you going home goes a whole new set of problems. We serve the greater Trenton area, which is all of Mercer County with the exception of East and West Windsor and Princeton. We see basically patients that have Medicare, Medicaid, managed care insurance, so there's a whole variety of people that we can actually help.
We supply services that include not only nursing, but physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, social work services, dietary services, and home health aid services. Most people do not like staying in the hospital, nor do they like nursing homes. They want to be in their home and the environment they're comfortable in, and if care can be provided there, that's what most people and families want.
Our slogan, Ask for Us by Name, is a slogan that we came up with because there are many agencies that provide the same type of service that we provide in the community. However, Mercer Street Friends offers a diverse type of service needs. For example, we manage a patient from a holistic approach because you have to have that balance, whereas you would not only meet their needs physically, emotionally as well, and psychologically as well.
What I see in my staff, what I see go out into the homes every day are people that really care. They do it no matter what. They go out there because they truly believe that they can help people, and they do.
when you change the life of a Mercer Street Friends client, you change the fortunes of an entire family.
We have an opportunity to really make a difference.
All the good things that Mercer Street Friends does is only because of the support it gets from the community.
Even in one of the richest countries, we have poverty and we have hunger. And you might not see it, but it literally is at your back doorstep.
I feel very fortunate to be here and very motivated to keep on going.
Coming to work doesn't feel just like a job. You feel like you're actually doing something to help other people's lives too.
When I leave here, my satisfaction is in knowing that I have fought hard for my programs, that I've tried to be creative in the ways that we address the issues and the concerns of the children and families that we serve, and that it's a worthy cause.
Anything they donate, if it's computers, clothing, monies, that it's going for a good cause. It's going to children who really need it and families who deserve it.
You know, it's kind of easy to turn on the news or to walk in our neighborhoods and just shake our heads and say, oh, that's such a shame. But the reason that I stayed here is because it wasn't enough for me to just say, oh, it's such a shame. It's such a shame that those kids don't have quality daycare. It's such a shame that those kids are involved in gangs. It's such a shame that those families are having so many problems. But that I have a real responsibility to go beyond just shaking my head and saying that it's a shame, but using my gifts and my abilities to help meet the need that I see.